Welcome back, guys. Today I have 5 photo accessories that everybody needs to have with them at all times. So let's check this out. And before I get too started into the video, let me just say, guys, if y'all would hit that subscribe button, that would help out our channel greatly. I appreciate it. The first thing, the 50mm 1.8. Now I know this ain't really an accessory, it's a lens, but everybody needs a 50 1.8. They're cheap, they do a lot, they have a very low f-stop, they're just great all-around lenses. If you need to zoom in, you walk. If you need to zoom out, you'll walk backwards. That's easy. Get you a 50 1.8, you can use it everywhere. Number 2, brand name memory cards. Don't show up at a wedding with something you can't pronounce. KZ749 memory card that you got for $3 on Amazon. These are 2 of my favorite, the SanDisk and the Samsung. Both great cards. Hadn't had any problems with either one. You can get them on Amazon. Samsung's run a little bit cheaper. I've never had any problems with the Samsung, and I haven't had many problems with the SanDisk. I think a couple of years ago I had a little bit of a problem with one, but they're still real reliable. So get you some good name brand memory cards. And also make sure that they're fast enough. If you're doing like 4K 60, you need to make sure that it's all fast enough. I'll do a video on the card speeds one day. The third thing you're gonna need is extra batteries. And not only the kind for your camera. If you have stuff like this that takes AA's, maybe you got some flashes that take AA's, you need to have those with you too. Not just your camera batteries. You need to have batteries for all your accessories, and this is the Godox trigger. So make sure you have AA batteries. Next, you want a way to clean your lenses. This is the lens pen. It is a brush on one side. Brush, kind of cool. It goes back in to keep it clean. Then on the other side, you unscrew it, and it's got this carbon stuff, and you just wipe it around your lens. It's a really cool little deal. So they're not very expensive. I like it. It gets my lenses really clean. I try to keep one in about every camera bag because they're really helpful. If you get a fingerprint or something on your lens, somebody walks into you, bumps into you, or you know, get your thumb on your lens, whatever. It's good to have one of these to get it clean. And then lastly, you're going to want lots of these. If you're like me, I lose lens caps constantly. So I have a lot of extra lens caps around, the rear cap, the front cap, the body cap. You know, I have a little bit of everything. So keep them with you. You don't want anything getting scratched when you put it back in your bag, or if you're carrying it around on you, you want your lens caps on there. So with that said, just trying to keep you guys prepared for any situation that you might run into.